Hello guys, welcome back to another video of 30 days CAD challenge where we would be making 3D models out of 2D models. Today we are going to make our second project which is based on cylinder base assembly. Hope you guys enjoy this video and let's start.
First of all, we would make this cover plate. Okay, make this circle for construction. Okay, dimension them. Okay, and this one in center is 24. Okay, now this circle of 10 diameter. Okay, go over here, circular sketch pattern. Click on this point on the circle, and there are 8 holes. Okay, and then extrude boss base till 13 mm. Okay, save it as cover plate. Okay, close this one. Now make this cylinder base. Okay, which is of 100 mm. Okay, make it first of all extrude it till 65 mm. Okay, then sketch on this surface normal to this circle of 60 mm. Make it do this and make it till here. Extrude cut. Okay, then sketch here, and this is of 24 mm. Yes. Okay, extrude cut. Okay, then now click on the surface. Okay, make a circle for construction, give it a dimension 80, then make 10 mm, then this 8. Okay, so now we would exit the sketch and go over here, hole wizard. Select on this hole type as you can see over here, then make it ANSI metric helicoil tap drills and give it hole specification as M10 1.25 as given over here. Then click on position, click on this plane, then place these. Okay, check the preview and make it as 17 mm as given, then okay, hide this and our cylinder base is ready. Save it. Okay, now we would make the gasket part. Yes, and plane. Give them dimensions. And this one is 60. Okay, this one is 60. Okay, make this as construction. Again, make those 8 holes. Great. Okay. Then give it an extrude of 3 mm. Okay. And save it as gasket. Okay. Now we will make our last part, that is screw. Name it yes. Okay. First of all, we will make the head. Give it a dia 15 mm. Okay. Make it extrude 6 mm. Okay. Now sketch one circle here of 10 dia. Okay. Give it an extrude of 50. Okay. So now everything, our screw part is complete. Save it. The screw. Okay. Now we would start the assembly. New assembly. Okay. Okay. Make it an MDS over here. Okay. Then next of all, made these two. Okay. Made with this. Okay. Alright. Then made these. Okay. Okay. Alright. And just rotate it. And okay. This. Okay. Now control and press control and bring the components. Okay. And now made them. Made this one. Okay. Then this. Okay. Then bring this one here. Okay. Okay. First of all, bring it over here. Okay. Okay. Now wait them.
Okay, and okay. So guys, here our cylinder base assembly is complete. Okay, do let us know if you came across any difficulty in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe to our channel Start Scratch, and check out other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content. Thank you, and I would see you guys in the next one.